partially it got fulfilled, and we are happy for that. Now the next course of action will be that we as association will give full support to her so that she can discharge her duties as Vice Chancellor as enshrined in the orders that has come from Ministry from time to time. And we know what exactly she can do. She can do everything else that includes including your CS. And except for the regular appointment, she can do finance committee, she can convene finance committee meetings, she can do academic council meetings, she can do executive council, she can make temporary appointments, she can even appoint a PVC. And why I'm saying this, I'll come to it a little later. So she can do everything. The only thing that ministry debars an acting vice chancellor to do is you can't do appointments to regular posts, both teaching and non-teaching, and also you can't touch or modify or amend your acts, statutes and regulations and ordinances. That cannot be done by any acting VC, otherwise everything, which means if you, in nutshell, if you look at it, she can do everything a normal vice chancellor would like to do. And this is where I think we have to capitalize upon. We will, naturally, I know there is a long list of demands of NEHUNSA, long list of demands of NEHUTA, long list of demands of NEHUSU. And as stakeholders, I think we'll try to make sure that we give our helping hand to her so that she can accomplish. She doesn't have much time, we all know. Unless something totally out of the book happens. She's retiring on the 31st of May.